Do you suffer from foot pain caused by an injury or condition like plantar fasciitis? Have you tried medicine and special shoes, but nothing seems to help? It may be time to take a more serious approach with shockwave therapy. Not only can it ease your pain, but it can provide a more lasting relief since it encourages your body to heal itself. I'm Houston Podiatrist Dr. Andrew Schneider. Shockwave therapy is a medical procedure that is being used to treat wide-ranging conditions around the world. In today's video, I'll discuss how shockwave therapy works and explain why it's such an effective treatment for foot pain. Before I do, let others know about these videos. Please like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and share on social media. This will help others find this information. Foot pain can be a debilitating condition that affects people of all ages and activity levels. Whether you're a professional athlete or a busy office worker, foot pain can significantly impact your daily routine. Fortunately, there are several treatments available for foot pain, and one of the most effective is shockwave therapy. There are several causes of foot pain, but some of the most common include plantar fasciitis, Achilles tendonitis, Morton's neuroma, ankle sprains, and tendonitis. Plantar fasciitis is a common condition that occurs when the band of tissue that runs along the bottom of the foot becomes inflamed. This can cause pain in the heel or the arch of the foot. Achilles tendonitis is another common condition that occurs when the Achilles tendon becomes inflamed. This can cause pain in the back of the heel or ankle. Morton's neuroma is a condition that occurs when the nerves of the ball of the foot becomes thickened and inflamed. This can cause pain or numbness in the toes. Ankle sprains and tendonitis can also cause significant foot pain and limit mobility. In my practice, we use a form of shockwave therapy known as radial shockwave therapy. Radial shockwave therapy is a non-invasive treatment that uses acoustic waves to stimulate the body's natural healing processes. This therapy has been used for decades to treat a variety of conditions, including kidney stones and joint pain. In recent years, it's become increasingly popular as a treatment for foot pain. The Storz shockwave unit is considered the gold standard in shockwave therapy. This unit uses advanced technology to deliver precise and effective shockwaves to the affected areas. The Storz unit can be adjusted to deliver shockwaves at different frequencies and intensities, which allows the treatment to be customized to the patient's specific needs. Radial shockwave therapy works by stimulating the body's natural healing processes. The acoustic waves delivered by the Storz unit triggers the production of new blood vessels, which improves blood flow to the infected areas. This increased blood flow helps to reduce inflammation and promote tissue healing. Shockwave therapy also stimulates the production of collagen, which is responsible for soft tissue repair. Collagen is an important component of tendons and ligaments, which can be damaged in conditions like Achilles tendonitis and ankle sprains. By promoting the production of collagen, shockwave therapy can help to strengthen and repair damaged ligaments and tendons. The course of treatment for shockwave therapy typically involves one treatment per week for 3 weeks. During each treatment, the Storz unit is used to deliver shockwaves to the affected area. The entire treatment usually takes about 15 minutes, and no medication or injections are required. After treatment, there's no downtime or recovery required. You can return to your daily routine immediately. Most people experience significant pain relief within a few days of their first treatment, and pain relief typically continues to improve with each subsequent treatment. If you're suffering from foot pain, shockwave therapy may be the right treatment for you. With its ability to promote healing and reduce inflammation, shockwave therapy is an effective and non-invasive option for treating a variety of foot conditions. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Please take a moment to like, comment, and share on social media. Be sure to hit subscribe so you won't miss another video. At Tanglewood Fit Specialists, we offer state-of-the-art shockwave therapy using the Storz shockwave unit. If you're interested in learning more about this treatment, or you would like to schedule a consultation, please contact our Houston Podiatry office today. Our team of experienced podiatrists can help to determine whether shockwave therapy is the right option for you and develop a customized treatment plan to help get you back to your daily routine as quickly as possible. That link is in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.